This is Modebe Street in Onitsha, Anambra State. So currently, there is a ongoing road patch along this area. So I'm gonna take you guys around to see everything for yourself. So this particular road you are currently watching will take you down to DMGS or Zinc Roundabout or Stock Exchange. So this the road you are currently watching, that is where it's gonna take you to. This one, the one I just viewed, this particular one will be taking you down to so many places like or any other. Then the one you are watching right now will take you to MCC. Then this one will take you to Uguta Road. So from here, we're gonna turn around and head down. Behind our back is the Modebe Street. As you can see in my video, that is some of the patch. Some of the patch that is currently going on this axis. I'll be sincere, like I used to say, I don't support any political party. My major work is just to showcase, you know, the beauty of Alibo and elsewhere. So this particular update I'm bringing to you guys, honestly, when I get to this particular location, what I saw there, I will say I don't know what to call that. Honestly, that's just it. I don't know what to say about the whole thing that I just said, that I just saw when I visited this location. So but I'm gonna allow you guys to watch the video and judge for yourself and see everything for yourself. For my own opinion, from what I see, honestly, the road needs total reconstruction, not patching or maintenance. This is not what this road actually need. Some major areas in this particular road has gone absolute bad, so it needs a reconstruction and not this road patch that is currently going on. Honestly, I'm gonna be leaving you guys to watch through this video and see everything for yourself and judge for yourself. So I access this road from that Guta road side, heading down to Ochanja axis, then down to Vein Road. Though I liked it at Vein Road axis, then head over to this Iguta road to film make this film down to where I came from. So I'm gonna be allowing you guys watch the video through, see everything for yourself, and I will keep updating you where necessary. So when I arrived this particular location, I noticed that some places have been completed. They have completed some places in terms of patch, but this all this angle down to that Iguta road axis has not been completed. Though they have a kind of did something there to show that they are coming there to finish up whatever they have started. So another thing I want to chip in on this particular video is that I saw something, and it's all about the traffic lights that they installed on this axis. I believe you might have seen it in this video as I was the music was playing. So the thing is this, I think task force should be a kind of you know dispatch to all these areas where the traffic has been installed, traffic light has been installed, to checkmate some motorists, because our people are always in a haste. They don't want to respect the traffic rule. Something happened when I was filming this video, and that thing is just like I saw someone one jeep like that. Immediately the jeep get to the traffic light, the jeep stops. When the traffic light shows red, the jeep stops. And could you believe that every other motorists that were coming behind the man, both the keke people and the others, were busy passing, beating the traffic, and with their passing the man, and the man was there waiting until the traffic light shows green before the man continues his journey. So our people don't respect traffic, although some of those traffic are not even working, some are working, and nobody is there to even checkmate them to see if people are actually obeying the traffic or something. I don't know. That's just, I don't want to talk much on that, but it's just like whenever I see that, I get pissed off. So what I saw here, guys, when I visited this location, honestly, I'm not happy with it. I will be sincere, I'm not happy with it. You can see everything for yourself. The road, some axis on the road is not that bad, but some places are very bad. They don't even need the patch, they don't need the maintenance, they just need a total reconstruction. And before you get to the Ochanja, or very close to the Ochanja road, the one that will be leading you to the Vein road side, there's a place they do a kind of a very heavy maintenance there. I think they do a little asphalting over there, and that asphalting, looking at it, it was not even very strong. And when I get to this particular area, I noticed that the company handling the maintenance job, I don't even know their name. I don't know their name. Like I don't know what they wrote on their on the equipment. I've not seen those people before do any road within this axis or elsewhere. So I don't know their name actually. And over there you can see them. Those are some of their trucks parked there. It's a very small truck they were using for this road maintenance. And when I arrived here, from that Ochanja axis, they were moving out the solution is here, samples, and the work, men at work, stuff, and the rest. I think they are moving those ones out back to where they are currently doing something or the other. So they have moved, I think they have moved everything, like their samples and their other things out of this axis, going to other places. But though the work around this place has not been completed, that of Uguta road has not been completed. So but some of their truck, like I saw two that are still there. I'm thinking maybe those truck are the one that that will complete the remaining one over here. So this is all I can say concerning this road patch along this area. So this is where the asphalting happened. This is where they did the asphalting, and if you move down a little bit, you're gonna be seeing the Ochanja road. So that is just it. You can see it for yourself. I think this place was very maybe bad. That's why they did this asphalting. But mainly looking at the whole thing, when I arrived there, I will be honest with you guys, it was not looking so strong like other places that has been asphalted. Not on this area, other new road that has been asphalted is not looking so strong. So I don't know. Let's just be looking. This is just, I won't call it road maintenance. This is just road patch only. So there's nothing to enjoy here. There's nothing to talk about on this area. But I won't say much. Check it out yourself. Judge for yourself as you are watching the video. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day.